Hi. That's the one?
Yeah, this is the one, yeah.
Okay.
I don't know where
The keys are lost.
we like look all over the house, but I can't find it. But I just used it like 10 p.m. last night, and then I don't know where it
Okay. Maybe they took off.
went.
You want to check if the key is inside? I think she wanted to check.
Yeah.
No. Okay, here's this.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome. Program complete. By the way, I was able to take it sorry. By the way, I was able to take it off from down. I wiggled it from there.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
So it's
yeah,
still
you have to
loose?
put it a little bit tighter.
Oh, that's what I was telling her.
Yeah. Lock, unlock, trunk, and then key. Works on the door. Good. Alright, thank you very much. Appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you.
It was nice. You know, we're gonna call you.
Yeah, it was so easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good night.